Today I am going to show you how to log in a AWS instance with the help of PuTTY. So PuTTY and MobaXterm. So today's agenda is how to log in a AWS instance using PuTTY and MobaXterm. So first I will create a EC2 instance. Then second step is to create PPK with PuTTY and PAM file through login with MobaXterm. So here, if you want to log in with PuTTY, then we'll have to create a PPK file. But in MobaXterm, there is no requirement of conversion of PAM to PPK file. So now I'll go to create a EC2 instance in the AWS cloud. So if you don't have any account, then create an account. I already have an account, so I'm directly going to create a EC2 instance in AWS. So I'll go here, services. There are a lot many services provided by AWS. I'll go to EC2. In EC2, you can see there is a tab launch instance. This one is older one. I will terminate it. Okay. Now I will launch a new instance. I'll take, so these are the Amazon machine image. I will use Red Hat Enterprise Linux, this image, and then next is choose an instance type. So you can choose any instance, but for this one is the free tier eligible instance, T2 micro, so I will select this one. Then configure instance details. Here you can see number of instances. One, I can create 1, 2, 3, any instance at a time. Now I am creating one instance. Then here you can see the VPC. The default VPC is already created with it. When you are creating the AWS account, you will get a VPC, default VPC. And subnet, you can see subnet, 3 subnets are available. I am not mentioning any subnet. I am not giving any preference. And rest as usual. Then I will go to next, that is add storage. Here you can see already 10 GB is providing for this instance. Then here add text. You can give any text. like Tomcat server. You can put like that. Then configure security group. In security group, we have to open the port if you want to access any instance outside of AWS. Then we'll have to open a particular port. Suppose if we want to create Tomcat server, then we'll have to open the Tomcat runs on 8080 port. We'll have to open the 8080 port. Then we can give anywhere, or we can give my IP. If we have some fixed IP, then we can give that my IP. We can select it, and it will automatically take the IP ranges. I will take anywhere. Okay. This is not required, but I am taking it because I will use an instance. So install Tomcat. Now review and launch. You can review it, whatever you have configured. Now launch. Here we will have to create one key pair. So I am creating a new key pair, Tomcat key. So download that key. Okay, it already exists. So Tomcat, download the key. I'll take that key. I'll copy that key into the my PAM folder. Okay. Then launch instance. So instance is launched. Now it is pending. I'll give a name, Tomcat server. It will up and run. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes. I have terminated the previous Tomcat web server instance. You can see here. So it is now up and running. So here we will get one DNS address, then IP address, public IP, and then private IP, private DNS. So private IP is used inside the AWS cloud, and the public IP we use to access the instance from outside. So we will use this public IP. Now our job is to, if we want to log in with the PuTTY, the first thing we will have to create a PPK file with the help of PuTTY. PuTTY and PuTTY both you can download from the website internet, and I load that key. Okay, all files. I load this Tomcat new PAM file, whatever I have downloaded from the AWS instance creation time. Okay, you just load it and then save the private key. Don't have to do anything. Private key and public key also you save. Okay, then close it. Now go to PuTTY, put the IP address in session, put the IP address here, then go to SSH, then auth, browse the ppk file, whatever I have created here, Tomcat private ppk file, then open. You can see the terminal is open. Select yes, then you can see for login the default user will have to put EC2 user. You can see I can able to log in. Okay, so now the same instance I'll log in with the help of MobaXterm. You can download the MobaXterm from the internet. Here, this one not required. Go to the session, SSH, put the public IP, then advanced SSH setting, use the private key, look at the PAM file. Here doesn't require the ppk file, we require only the PAM file. This one, select it and then okay. Okay, the same user, EC2 user, so I can able to log in the instance. Now my next, so I have completed the login in MobaXterm and ppk creation of ppk file with the help of PuTTY and create EC2 instance also. Now I'll do one thing, install dot the same EC2 instance. Okay, so for installation of Tomcat, and I will access it outside. Access Tomcat. Okay, now here I will go. So I will use the MobaXterm, not the PuTTY. Now I will go to OPT folder. You can see there is nothing inside this OPT folder. And before that, for Tomcat, I have to install Java. I'll check the, you can see the Java is not installed, so I will install Java. Before installing Tomcat, we require Java. So Java is a prerequisite for Tomcat. web server. Okay, Java is installed. Now sorry, Java version, you can see Java is installed. Okay, now I've installed Tomcat. For installation of Tomcat, I have to go to the Tomcat, go to Google, then Tomcat download. You can see the Apache Tomcat apache.org. Go to the website. Here in this section, binary distributions, that zip file is there and tar file is there. I'll use the tar file. You can use zip file also, tar file also. So I will use the tar file. Right click, copy the link address, and go to the instance. Then sudo wget, paste that link. Okay, so wget is not present, so I will install from yum repository. So wget is installed. Now I will download the Tomcat. You can see that Tomcat tar file is downloaded. I will unzip it now. Okay, this unzip is done. You can see the folder Apache Tomcat. So here the permission is not allowed because the owner of this folder is now root. So I will do one thing. I will change the user to root. Go to PuTTY folder, then Apache folder. Inside the Apache folder, Apache directory, you can see these files. So here I will go inside PuTTY. Here you can see startup.sh and shutdown.sh. Tomcat is already installed. Now I have to start the Tomcat. To start the Tomcat, we can use startup.sh shell script or otherwise catalina.sh. I will use startup.sh, startup.sh. Okay, Tomcat started. Now I will go to the browser and I'll try to access the Tomcat. So take the IP from here, go to the browser, put the port number 8080 as Tomcat runs on 8080. Okay, you can able to access the Tomcat from the browser. Now I'll stop the Tomcat. Tomcat is stopped. Now you refresh the browser. You cannot able to access the Tomcat because Tomcat is already terminated. Now I will start the Tomcat with Catalina.sh. Again, go to the browser and refresh. We can able to access the Tomcat. So that's all for now. Bye bye.